Abusianfo me cheche mu nyina ma mu nyina akwa abasonko at the mobile ras media GH so abusianfo there is information bia about bontre mu edrepa information about bontre no edrepa Abronye life is at risk and the NDC is doing everything they can do to shut down the mouth of Abronye. Now Abronye is requesting for asylum, political asylum. Na we mu nyina no mede ho nkyekere mu ebebra osisia na Abronye kyerɛ sɛ osuru so obetena Ghana ntino wa trelete e dia koma different embassy ewo Ghana. I mean the UN, the UK embassy, the Italian embassy, the Canada embassy, the Australia, or even Cote d'Ivoire embassy kran Abronye attrelete koma and say omoma no political asylum protection. And I'm saying ofili se na brabo na yere na ma omo abrabo at risk. So they will see we na yele na Abronye twere ye e de come all those embassies ma bo modini e de achiro. Na say yen konem kwagin kyerkyere mu emfa asem we ho de ntia de nam so ama Abronye abrabo at risk. Ye ba na atoaso.
For there is a breaking news coming in from United Nations. Or maybe say United Nations there. When the petition na petition ko United Nations and then one they call yes. Papa friend of Kwame Bafo Abronye. Sambra me no ka say or the petition akwa kupim ewo embassies ya me bebudi Italy embassy ya Ghana or the petition ko France, Spain, Cote d'Ivoire, United States, Germany, UK, Canada, and United Nations. Into United Nations for office or in crime. Abronye the petition yakwa kupimo Canada embassy or how they call UK embassy or so they call United States embassy or they call Germany, Cote d'Ivoire, Spain, France, and Italy. Abronye actually petition akwa koma sa jumakui and answer embassy say or one say me the two menim na omonhwen sema or one no mon grant no omo wish and the wish man until you go straight to the petition now yen hwen sema Abronye atwa komo mu di ntia wo twere ene niam a wo hwehwe wo say to Immigration, Refugee Affairs Department, Embassy High Commission, Asylum Authority, DSL madam, formal request for political asylum and security protection. Formal request for political asylum and security protection. So Abronye chirema enema bi koso o maimu ha obepese san embassies ama ya mebubo mudi omana musifo mo maimu a ebema ono Abronye akonya nanka wakotena sa aman ni mu baako nti bia se Canada na bepene a Canada aban ne mpene mo no Abronye metena Canada na on tena ho kusi se NDC aban be free power asylum jeze o ya kaso kusiki asylum ase bibia to ayese entokwa bi asi wokumase yamanzo wokumase ne entokwa asi wokumase no free kumase yakọ ebia sunyan na wakọ sunyan hene man sunyan hene o se onje wontena sunyan okopem se entokwa ne wokumase ne tubitwa yes enu bi na Kwame Bafo Abronye che so Kwame chirema o de character ya kwa koma US embassy Germany, Canada, France, Italy, Spain ne hwan se enema bi koso wo Ghana ha ono Abronye no kutia no nti obehwe se enkebe ya san ama engine ntina omo man ne so na de tosumi no omo nsambo ne ho ban se ne be ya atorenche bi anto no krata no head no nti enko substantive detail na o say I Kwame Bafo Abronye, a Ghanaian politician and the current regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party in the Abronye region of Ghana, respectfully submit this formal application for political asylum and security protection from now till the period when my application will be assessed and granted by any of the countries I have applied to as attached below. Okay. I have attached all relevant documents establishing my Ghanaian citizenship marked Exhibit A. Ground for seeking asylum. Now, Kwame Bafo Abronye say, Mahama and IGP refugee for camp no. To say Canada, Spain, and omunjinin show mo camp or kopim say ne petition ye beji atum na de ntia o seeking asylum de ntia o bese o mo gye ne tena o mo man mu se ne be a ne ho beto no mo bo ne ho ban no and say one, my request is based on consistent escalating political persecution, threat to my life, and systemic abuse of state security powers by the current government of Ghana. The key grounds are: 1, unlawful arrest and detention. So Abronye chilema the nti opesa amama yije netna omoman so ene se oman Ghana na ngaza owum sisi e you know sisi e ya owum no aban na wote adwa so no yusu aban no tumi no e de tata no ena o chechiri nja tata ye tata ne bi ni se 1, unlawful arrest and detention. Ya china tutu bebrebe na che atichina tum nyina so at the end of the day no sebi obe eni mrem oto hono ma ani abeche no oto hono ma ani abuse no na manfo send message man yebekum inti eno ne first thing. Now I say in February 2025, shortly after the NDC government assumed office, I became the first opposition politician to be invited, arrested and detained by the NIB or BNI for 13 hours. Or chema NDC aban ne bam aban ma omoba January February. Ono Abronye ne nipa ye che ne first to chema BNI eto omo nsa frɛ na che ono Abronye e de ne share cells san for 13 hours. Nti no ono Abronye keka ne ma boma na se aban na waba no tribupo bi etia no. Nti se wanhwe na se Oman Jena and Tomo US in Spain and the United Nations are moana a quambison NDC for a bit imagining conference. My arrest was followed by my public criticism of the government crude, unfair and blanket dismissal of 150,000 Ghanaian workers without due cause and a call for their immediate reinstatement. During my detention, Abronye time a chin to BNI channel. I was threatened, intimidated, and sternly warned that unless I cease criticizing the government, I will face severe reprisals in the future. Abronye chilema tama BNI beche no because I can say Mahama pamu ejuma for 150,000 almost salary wa pake wo Jubilee House or the Agubullion van no chilema ye che no. And you see a che na de ne kotena prison wo keke ye che no. Ye be hunu na no ho. According to Abronye BNI for the 2CCC no so man warning say wan hwe na wa enjai Mahama ho nsem kan ne ni nsem kan ene obekoso aba prison no obekoso atata no kopem se be NDC aban bi fira bem nti saa ne ma na course go BNI ono nko a kire ono Abronye se ekwan bi so no NDC aban ene aban mu mpanyimfo bi wotimo pobitia na onye sure say mfie miensan ne nan ede enemi ne nkwa obetimi afa no ho adi tinam saa so nti o sire UN ene amama ya mebo omo din say omomo na omo ngine nten omaman mo kopem say ene ma nyina beto di ene first one. The tosumi was the ongoing threat and intimidation. Since my release, I have received persistent threat, both verbal and electronic, WhatsApp and SMS from individuals linked to the ruling party, including those currently holding government positions. Recently, I questioned the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Teteunu, on an online TV program that I host for failing to address the worsening security in Ghana per the recently addressed Global Peace Index report, particularly the tribal conflict in the north that have resulted in death and displacement, while instead focusing on the selective arrest of opposition members for expressing personal opinions online, even when officers, members, and supporters of the ruling party have also said same or even worse. Also, they told me, or per se, you and Abino, Eji or no Abronye, Etna or Munchen. Now, Mutim one of Bono Hubine because Nemquan, Eda, and Sonia so one here, Beji friend in 77. Watch the man will receive WhatsApp messages be if you see a channel February, Ebepimini. Ni show na ya oye e TV so na ya nyina ekotwa bi wo hia TV watch them a we show ni wi a onya message ebu a WhatsApp ebu a SMS message na beba ni nyina ebi ye NDC for ebi so NDC ministers ni NDC aban kran NDC appointees wo mo wan bem no mo send the message wa Abronye ye be you see they try na work kran say na nsem wo or criticize or can IGP yo hunu tete yo hunu asem e fa kwan tete yo hunu eyi mu o chire mu tete yo hunu pe you know papa nanche November ni December obe retire nan oko be nam se tete yo hunu person kwa ne time so for retirement Mahama tremu ntino you say you not aid the police for checheche MPP NDC for MPP for in say mu ho no ma NDC aka MPP aka be yo hunu nkwachi NDC for no achi MPP for no so kwan ba for say if so start say so kan yo hunu nsensem woni show no so no kwan de niam abana so nyangro ade chi wona mu ha we si we una wo kan GP una esi nti o say o chire mu ankasa na brabo ankasa na per se ne de for now pa de ontimi emon ho ban biem en wonji oman police oman bit police bit mabon ho ban it was the UN Italy Spain aban Canada abrochiri aban bia omone Ghana din sawo so bia o sere omommo ano na omonje ne ntan omoman mu okopem se enkebe ya NDC aban be free to me so na ono Abronye be hu se ampampa afedo oba Ghana ne ho beto no nti omonje ntum za de toss me ensa targeted harassment and threat of arrest. Following my public remarks, I received a threatening call from an individual claiming to be an investigator and identify himself only as Mr. Seth, claiming to act on instructions of the IGP. He ordered me to report to the National Police Headquarters immediately to answer questions as to why I have been insulting and disrespecting Mr. IGP Onu, threatening that my failure to comply will result in being forcefully apprehended and dealt with mercilessly, that I won't come back to life. Abronye Chema or say when you call and when you call from Papa be a friend Mr. Seth. Now Mr. Seth friend and Mr. Seth say oh yeah investigator or ye CID ni na wafre onu Abronye because tete yo anama onu Mr. Seth and so on friend. According to Abronye no Mr. Seth catch me say nyame adoma Monday di animu onu Abronye mra police headquarters na ome answer questions bi na say Abronye no am police headquarters nyame adoma Monday a IGP according to Mr. Seth and IGP best small boys ama baby obi a boys na ba bechi onu Abronye na be bechi ne brebre ni be through police headquarters won kran Accra na sen kran a one way onu Abronye onya ne nkwa bim to chire ma sa ne ma we nyina chire se ne nkwa sebi enche ne nsem for now ofili say at any moment from now be ene to 2028 dear ida say IGP betime kunu ana say NDC aban mu for so ebetime kunu. Through my lawyers, I wrote officially to the Criminal Investigation Department CID to verify if any official complaint had been lodged against me and if they had invited me. The Director General of CID through the Secretary informed my lawyers that they had not received nor initiated any criminal investigations against me, and rather directed my lawyers back to the supposed investigator Mr. Seth, who then when contacted flatly refused to clarify and instead ominiously stated, "Tell that boy that if he refuses to come and we pick him, he won't come back to life." Abronye say ochre letter. Abronye area lawyer. So on say man lawyer say try letter call CID office. Ekobusa CID say CID anye bia obi abel lodge complain amama obi de me ho asema bremo amo hwehwe me ana because when you call from Mr. Seth and Mr. Seth CID for hwe no ana no Abronye try letter no call CID say anye bia obi hwehwe me obi de me ho asema ba ana CID for catch Abronye say baby yemfa wasem ba ha obi amfa ho asem bia ma ha it is any pa na ofro no ye friend Mr. Seth no sa ko sa Mr. Seth no obim ne friend no busa no nchechire mu yi oso oye adwuma we Abronye so mo friend Mr. Seth na Mr. Seth no enti man chirechire mu se oye adwuma o ha na so oye adwuma o san kesi so no Mr. Seth ne san kesi so bi mu se so no na Abronye ame pimo police headquarters Monday na so omo boys ne ebe fa ono Abronye a sebi ne nkwanye ne dia according to Abronye native one seven happy no. Last paragraph. A confidential source within the Ghana police informed me of a secret meeting where plans has been finalized to arrest, detain, and brutalize me should I appear at the police headquarters. Abronye chirema waye hwehwemu ene ntetie a wanyane se nyame adom na se police for ebeche no anase so no Abronye kopi mo police headquarters a o tete se police for beche no de kan de to so mi no mo bebo no mo bebo ne pa enti kwan bi so no o fili se baby police for tatano IGP and the boys tatano enti sisi no onim se ma nyame adom Monday onko police headquarters ana mo kwa because o kwa wan hwe a on babim ye betienza Abronye awu ekwan o fanso ye he na se ekọ ti o chirema ne nkwa sisi a eda asonim man kan few paragraph na yenko or say escalating party in recent months there have been disturbing trends of opposition politicians being arrested and detained beyond constitutional mandated 48 hours without bail. This has created a climate of fear and intimidation where political opponents of government are deliberately targeted. Based on these realities and the direct threat to my life and liberty, I am convinced that both I and my family are in imminent and grave danger. According to Abronye no, ochirema so ohwe niema mabobo so nyina ohwe na nse NDC ba power ya cheche MPP fo bebrebe onu amu ya che no IGP tata ne se teni nti ohwe sa niema we nyina osusu se one na busu nyina omu kwa eda adegem na oma hwe na se oma mbo omu ho ban a bibia betima to no ne yire anase ne mma na ekwan de nti a wo gina so won za Abronye wako Abronye wi wako in LLB we degree law why degree in law anka senti Abronye ni mra nti wa state mra bebrebe wa ha wo gina so say UN any US aban ni aban kan nyina engine entra omo man mu at state 1951 refugee convention universal declaration article 14 international convention and was state now in light of the above and in genuine fear for my personal safety and that of my family, I respectfully seek political asylum and security protection in your country. So Abronye says I need my boss na tintin teacher na say or say UN amama yo join UN nyina any Europe any America amama nyina say ano Abronye ne nkwa sebsebsesi enye ne dia to osra maman we nyina say omundum no omunje one na busua entena omuman mu na omummo ne ho ban kopem se sebsebi ade NDC for ni Ghana police de ye no eto ebetwa letei ono an kasa ne sign wo hwe Kwame Bafo Abronye ono an na sign omo elected on the common ena na me bossi UN resident coordinator office in Ghana wa command bi resident coordinator Ghana wa manibi communications officer wa manibi UNHCR Ghana rep wa manibi UNDP Ghana wa manibi UNOWAS regional mission wa manibi afi embassies awodo wa ma Canadian embassy bi UK embassy bi Germany embassy United States Cote d'Ivoire Spain France Italy. All respondents can be sent via my personal email T4 the dias question ya ni pitim Kwame Bafo Abronye akwa kopim ewo embassy sia mi bodin se o trend the NDC aban ne ban omoye no ene de IGP tete yo nu eye na ne nkwa osuro se wan hwe beje ne nkwa afri ne nsem ti o sra amaman se omonji na busua ene ne ma na yire ne na busua nyina entena omoman mu kopim se ne nkwa na sisi dadaja no ana se nipa bi person wo gifri ni nsem no ne ho beto no na wo se tima ba back to Ghana ti se ti for Abronye petition no se UN for G2 se US Canada ni Italy ho ahwan nyina G2 aban no bebo ho ka afa Abronye ne na busua ni nyina afri ha akwa akopie mu aman no so omo behwe ne yere ne ma bibia abon ho ban kopem sebe so omo anje antum dia Abronye beka o man mu a na de be koso na koso but me on say me break but me pesa obecha wo hadwin o comment section no anye bia sha Abronye free Ghana na otena o man mu ha obi betima agene nkwan free ni nsem ana eno your first question the toss me you know for adwin share to comment section o me do as be